the latest. David Grimm, the attorney for the victim's husband. A cloud of suspicion around him, right? Well, he spoke out today in a very interesting press conference. Take a listen.
My scenario is that Jane pulls into the driveway and Joe walks up. An argument ensues, and I can see this Joe, well, look at the nice car you're driving. Look at the nice home you live in. Why can't you pay me the whatever amount of money it was? And an argument ensues between the two. Joe has done everything but shed light on the case. Joe has told, by my last count, 6 different stories, including one of the latest ones I heard was that Bob Bashara held a gun to Joe's head while Joe manually strangled Jane Bashara. Wow. What about this check? What about this check that Bob Bashara wrote to Joe a day before Jane Bashara was killed? Who would pay somebody a day before the dirty deed is to be done with a personal check signed by that individual? Anytime a wife ends up dead and there's a husband, I think the husband automatically moves to the top of the list as a person of interest because of something called media leaks. That's why we took the polygraph examination. If we want to try this case with polygraph examiners, again, hoping that Bob Bashara never gets charged, I'm ready. If I have to, I can look a jury in the eye and I can say to that jury, ladies and gentlemen, it would have been impossible for Bob Bashara to have done what the prosecution says, this terrible act that they say he did it here. It would have been impossible in the very limited time frames that his time was not accounted for.
Attorney David Grimm on the offensive, very confident that the man responsible for his client's wife's murder is already in custody. We'll stay on top of that one for you.